Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about float. Okay, so let's start by giving some example. For instance, I'm gonna start with py, which is a number, and I'm gonna assign some value. Okay, I think it is 3.14, 15, 92, 65, 35, 42. I guess I'm not sure. So let's just store this number with this bunch of decimal values. Okay, so I have this number, and as guys can see, it is a number which has some precision, and we usually use this to work with finances and things like that. Okay, so we need precision, and in Python you have the float data type to work with this. Okay, so I'm gonna call the function type, and I'm gonna pass this object that we just created, and you guys can see that it is a float data type. Okay, so pretty cool, right? So you could use this to work with this. The other way to think about this is if we do some operation like 1 divided by 3, we're gonna see that this huge number. Okay, so that's one way to point out, and that's not very hard to understand because we usually do this on a daily basis, right? You usually work with these numbers daily, and you could pretty much let's see which functions we have. We have these functions. Okay, I'm using the IntelliSense from idle to show you guys some of the functions that we have. We have hex, image, real. That's it is about imaginary numbers. Okay, so pretty easy to work with floats. We're gonna dive more into this data type later on, but for now I think it's pretty good. That's this explanation, and I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I see you guys next time. Okay.